And the bomb using it, we can tell the bomb
we have a situation that we have we will go to the
I think we have a conclusion right there.
We can call the police officer from the Raipur village.
Two persons will go to Najibai village.
Instead of calling the
One
police
person will go to
personnel, there is
bank
always a
forest guard.
No, I would not.
It's from the bank. You can contact the police station in the Najibai village. You will have police station. They will enjoy the boating hub for which they came here, enjoy the boating and then take refreshments and then go to their hostels.
Primarily we have 4 situations. The boys have come from hostel to boating up near the Padma river. So we can divide the group into 4, like 2 in the ratio of 2 to 2. Firstly, the forest guard came to them. He is injured. We'll give him first aid. So in first aid, what we'll do, like first we will lay him down. We'll move his head upside, little upside. We'll lift his head. We'll sprinkle water and clean his wound. Then we can apply Dettol and other antiseptic things. If we have first aid medical in the boating hub, we can apply that on his head and we can bring him to consciousness. We have bicycles, and if we have a source of transport, we can two can go take him to the hospital for the treatment, and rest two will rescue the boat. So the process for that will be we have boating hub, so they will be boat. It's a possibility they will have more boats and other boating people. We will join them and we will flow in the river in the direction of Padma river towards the Raipur dam. We will just carry rope or other things. We'll find the boat. We'll throw ropes on that and hook it. 2 people will jump into the boat of that fisherman. We'll carry that boat back to the boating hub and we'll hand it over to the fisherman. Next, explain the situation to them, and we'll help them in catching those terrorists. Like they will call police and bomb squad, so we can join them and to help them to catch the terrorists. The situation 3 is there is a robbery which will take place at 3:30 p.m. In the Gramin village in Najibabad village. So 2 people, like they have bicycle, they will go to that village through the main highway. There we can see there is a Pari Chowk, so maybe they will be police. So we can contact them, and instead of just directly going to the bank, we can first call the police. So they will inform the people at the bank, and we can stop that robbery because they will close all the entrance. The security protocol of bank is if they get information about robbery, they close the door because they have security, gunmen and other people, so they can close it. And third thing will be we can all the boys will meet at a common meeting point at Pari Chowk, because there is a main highway, like it is about 10 kilometers from their hostel. So around 5:30 we can meet there, all the boys, and they can take refreshment after they meet all the solutions, and at last they can move back to their hostel.
Okay. So everybody agrees with just number 5, or someone